Now, for this one, we probably would need to use a calculator. But this is the only one that we need to use a calculator, so I'm going to show it for you here. All right, so -5, 12. So it'll be quadrants 2. So -5, 12 right here. Now I'm going to say when you see 5 and 12 right next to each other, does it hit any? Do you have any kind of spark in your mind? 5, 12, 13, right? So that means we know our R already. If you know your Pythagorean triplets, we know R is 0 to 13. Okay. Or you can use Pythagorean theorem to figure it out. But hey, 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25. All right. So we know the R. So now the thing is, what's theta? What's theta over here? Okay. So we will need to figure out our little theta prime. So we say, well, what's theta prime? Theta prime is equal to, well, opposite over hypotenuse. Now, you can see here that I ignore the negative here because I just want to know the angle. I just want to know the magnitude of the small angle. So let's not worry about the negative for the moment. I just want to get the angle. So we say, yeah, what is theta prime? And we say, all right, let's go ahead and figure it out. We would have to do tangent inverse of 12 over 5. And we will get the number. So, hold on. I need to change it to radians because I need to do it in radians. So let me do it again. 1.176. Okay. So that's 1.176 radians. Huh? Because I'm finding the angle. You do tangent of an angle, but you do the you want to find the angle that must be the inverse. Now that's theta prime. That's not theta. So if you want to find out the theta, the actual theta, what would you need to do? From? Well, not 180 because we're doing radians. Okay, so we subtract from pi. So we say pi minus 1.176. So on your calculator, you would do pi minus 1.176. And whatever that is, that will be 1.966. I'm going to round it up. So that's equal to 1.966 radians. So 1.966 radians. So your polar coordinate conversion would be 13 comma 1.966. Okay. Now, what if, well, doing the same thing, what if you have negative 13? What if you have negative 13? Well, if you have negative 13, then this is your theta prime, right? So you do 2 pi minus 1.176. Okay. So we say 2 pi minus 1.176. That's equal to 5.11. So 5.11. Is it 5.11? Oh, 1107. 5.107. 5.107. It's the other radian. Okay. So that's the one that you would need to use a calculator to figure it out. But for the other 3 examples, A, B, and C, you can figure it out without using calculators.